Today Bani and Mama is doing very simple fun-loving activity of sorting the colors, in which Bani have to sort her toys according to colors. This activity will help Bani or any toddler in developing fine motor skills, concentration power, color recognition, coordination, matching concept and thinking power. So let's play. हाँ टाइगर को भी हेलो कर दो. आज हम क्या प्ले करेंगे? Colors. Say color, which color? Color, which color? Firstly, we will check Bani's knowledge how much she recognizes colors. Which color is this?
Yellow.
Touch the yellow color. Very good. Which color is this?
Orange.
Very good. Which color is this?
Green.
Very good. Which color is this?
Red.
This one.
Blue.
Very good. Which color is this?
Red.
Very good. Now you have to pick toys one by one. Okay, and arrange according to color. Tell me which color is this?
Red.
Color. And match with the red color. Keep near the red color. Very good. Very good. Take the another toy. Take any toy. Take any toy. Which color is this?
Blue.
Blue के पास रखो.
Happy.
Blue कहाँ है? Search the blue color.
Yeah.
Very good. Keep near to the blue.
It's blue.
No.
Blue.
Very good. Very good. Take the next toy. Next toy. Yes, take. उठा इसको उठाओ. Which color is this?
Blue.
Okay, blue के पास रखो. Blue के पास रखो ना बेटा. चलो वो रखो. Green. Very good. Green. Very good. Now pick that straw. Yes. Which color is this?
Orange.
And where is orange color? Very good. Okay. Take the ring. Which color is this?
Teal.
Okay. Keep near the ring. Okay. Red painting color. देखो. Search. Red painting color. Red के पास रखो. Oh, very good. Yes. Okay. Yellow उठाओ. Very good. Yellow के पास रखो. चलो. देखो कहाँ yellow. Very good. Okay. Duck उठाओ. Duck. Which color is this? रखो yellow के पास. Yellow के पास रखो. Yellow. हाँ yellow के पास थ्रो करो. पहले yellow के पास थ्रो करो. चलो. Very good. अब ये बॉल उठाओ. किस कलर की है? ग्रीन के पास रखो. हाँ येलो पे रख दो. चाहिए रखो येलो. देखो कहाँ. करो थ्रो करो. वेरी गुड. चलो ग्रीन उठाओ. ग्रीन के बाद रखो. वेरी गुड. डायरी किस कलर की है? ब्लू के पास रखो डायरी. ब्लू देखो कहाँ. Very good. So now Bani, we will do a quick revision. You will teach Tiger about the colors, okay? Say red color. Very good. ये वाला बताओ Tiger को ये कौन सा?
Blue.
Very good. Green बताओ कौन सा Tiger है?
ये green.
Orange उठा के दिखाओ.
Orange.
येलो बताओ. टाइगर से बाय कराओ, बाय करो, बाय।
बाय
टाइगर को भी कराओ।
बाय करो नीचे छोटा
अच्छा छोटा है।
बाय
So I hope you like this video. Basically this is all about color recognition concept for toddlers. Thank you.